Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about what is CMS in Wix Studio. So what is CMS right here? So CMS is Content Management System in Wix Studio. So to efficiently save and organize and manage the content of your client's sites, it uses CMS. So this is basically to keep your site's content and database collections to allow you to easily create a dynamic page and element. So as you can see right here, they have CMS in your Wix Studio, so you can add a preset, create a collection, or even manage dynamic pages and content creation right here. And you can even add your contact elements. So basically this will just organize it to any drop-down selection where you can allow user input such as elements, text inputs, drop-downs, and many much more. So you can even, as I have said, add this right here into your CMS. So you can add CMS by going to your editor, click CMS, then go to your add to site and then start with a preset or start by adding content. So you can do this and then there you go. So you can even right here use data sets to connect elements on your page. You can link them right here, so it's going to be a two-way connection basically. And you can even simplify content on your management with CMS collections right here. So basically you can create folder in here, the more actions button. You can add collections such as news, options trading, portfolio teams. This is just an example of what you can do with your collections. You can name them and elaborate them and make them individualized. So there you go guys, that is what CMS is in Wix Studio. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.